I'm Ken Masterson. Welcome to my beautiful apartment in the sky. Look at those mountains. It's pretty cold out there, but I've got central air. Anyways, today, on Masterson's World, we're going to fix... Well, what are we going to fix? I don't know. Something around here. Well, computer. Anyways, welcome to Masterson Fixes It. I'm Ken Masterson, and today we've got a special donation by our friend Ant. So here we are. We've got computer. It's a KCH Big Top. I think they call these Big Top computers. As you can see, there are no optical drives. Optical drives, of course, meaning drives that you can see with your eyes. Now, I don't see any, so therefore there's no optical drives. Looks like that might be a graphics card with a DVI outputs. There's microphone, headphones, something else, a bunch of other shit, some USB 3. First things first, safety. Turn it off, right? Computer can't hurt you if it's turned off. Computer also can't hurt you if it's not plugged in. Now you'll notice it's not really plugged in, so we're just gonna make sure that she can't hurt us. Alright, and that's still really stuck in there. So anyways, we're free of any sort of... Actually, I'm going to probably need that later. Jesus. Who the hell built this? Some kind of fucking... I think dwarves built this place. Alright, so anyways, we're going to take this because I think we're going to need it. So, let's get back to the drawing board. So, anyways, here is computer. Now, to take apart and... you're going to need a certain set of tools. So, well, luckily we've got computer and we've got tools. Spanner wrench. Definitely going to need a spanner wrench. There's a lot of parts inside computers. Computer finder, we have that. That's actually stuck. Oh, I guess we'll use these. Very good. Wire. Oh, going to need wire cutters. There, God knows there's wires inside computer. Makes all that shit work, really, if you think about it. Tweezers, probably going to need those. Computer is small. Computer gets pretty small when it's inside. Electric screwdriver. Of course. Plenty of screws in computers. Hammer. Hope not. Magnifying glass. That's right. Computer is small. This must be one of those, fancy tap ones. All right. X-ray glasses. Ooh. X-ray glasses. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Well, now I know this room was built by dwarfs. See-through wall. Oldest dwarf trick in the book. My God. Yeah. I know what you're thinking. Global warming. What do you call that, huh? Alright, so... Oh, that's pretty cool. Kind of a... Oh. Where are my glasses? Alright, so this is a computer. We've unplugged the cable. We're going to make sure it's off. Alright, that looks to be good. Let's see. So first things first, these things usually have some sort of panel on the side. So there's might be one here. I think there's probably one here too. So let's take off the panel. Oh, very nice. Like a glove. Perfect. Right down there. Okay, and... looking pretty computery. What's going on over here? Two-panel takeoff. You know, you don't really see that too often with computers nowadays. Usually, it's just one side's the panel. So this leaves... Oh, we can even see the underside here. All right, so anyways, let's take the computer and get into what I like to call the OR, because you kind of lay it down like it's an 8-year-old that got into a car accident. Oh, there we go. Just gonna kind of... put that there. All right. So, anyways, so here we have computer. We'll take our magnifying glass and let's see if we can diagnose what was wrong with that gentleman's computer or gentle lady. I forget. So, all right. So this is, of course, is the power supply. You can see that it is 550 W's, which means 550 windmills equivalent of spinning in there. So that means it's pretty good. We've got... definitely some these cables. This is sending windmill power into the motherboard and over here into this the computer jack. And coming up in here, this is where you put those optical drives I was talking about earlier, where you put your finger in, or I mean where you see. Those would be right. Oh, okay. Well, looks like we accidentally disconnected a wire there, which is probably good. Probably didn't need it anyways. Oh, heavy wire. All right. Anyways, so we've got the idea. We know what computer looks like. So what we're gonna have to start doing to make sure we don't get electrocuted, start snipping some wires. So let's see. We've got these wires over here, which kind of look like a little bit, I guess, of like if you had a cartoon version of a duck's penis. We're just gonna snip there, lift it out. Oh, what's happening here? We're taking the whole tower with us. Okay, that's not good. Whoa, so that means she's still in. And she looks to be attached here, which is kind of interesting. Just sort of. So this wire has something to do with some sort of gravitational pull there. So we've got that wire out. That's good. That was definitely a problem wire. Now, we cut the blue wire. We're going to want to take some needle nose, or actually no, a spanner wrench I think is going to work right here. We're going to want to sort of just twist this. This is called the heat stank over here, so we're going to just sort of give it a nice tug off. And it's, oh, shit. This is the coaxial blade, which spins around, and we can see it's an Intel. He's got an Intel fan on the heat stank, so we're just going to kind of, let's see if we can pull out these plugs here. Give her a little, oh, maybe the spanner wrench isn't right. Okay, maybe she's stuck in there. I think we're going to need the electric drill here. So you want to make sure that heat stank is, maybe just kind of give it all a little bit of an unlock here. That's good. Kind of got those. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Now what you're seeing right here is, so computers naturally emit this odor. It's I don't know. It's kind of like if you burnt a cat hair, put it maybe inside of a marshmallow, microwaved it for a minute and a half. That's the natural smell. The heat stank gets rid of it all. So we're just going to put that over there. All right. Now we've got rid of our what I like to call extra parts. Everything I've removed so far is not necessary. Lord knows I barely even remember the name of what it is here. So this right here, this is what we identified earlier as the graphics card. Now, when your computer's making graphics, it needs its own card. Looks like we got a KCH there. So if we were going to use a KCH, let's see what else we got here for tools. Let's see. Oh, shit, we don't need that C4. All right, so anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to take this, all these parts here. So, see, we got a loose screw. Now, this is common when you take off extra parts of a computer. So what you really want to do is make sure all the screws are out. So you just kind of give it a little, just give it a little. Oh, shit. That didn't sound good. Probably one more screw in there, though. Oh, shit. Bent space and time. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. All right, well, a lot of things wrong here, actually, now that I kind of just look over the scene. Try to get the computer out of the table. All right, anyway, so now what we're going to do at the end of Masterson's, at least something new I'm going to try this time, is we're going to try to go inside to see the problem. It's kind of like the magic school bus kind of theory. So what the theory is you take this hand grenade, and if I put it in there at the right time with the top on, the explosion actually won't kill me. It'll warp me inside the computer. This is a grenade I bought off of Etsy. It's supposed to be some real, kind of, not really like Wiccan, but, sort of got spiritualitis. So anyways, I think this is going to be the top we'll use. Get her put it right there. And, well, I guess I'll see you in the computer land. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Shit. Put it in there. All right.